And the MUR-Maintenance is a maintenance scheduling system. It's built into the MUR server, so it's easy for you to activate it. But if you want to try it out, I also suggest you do an upgrade at the same time, so you get the latest version of the system. I'm going to show quickly the maintenance system. Let's see here. So in the maintenance system, see, we have it in, let's choose English. You have 3 types of people who can work with the system. The first one is anyone using the machine or like this. They can make a report saying they have seen something with the machine that might need a look at. Just observation like this. They can attach files, and if they're using the phone to enter this report, they can take a picture, record a video directly on the phone and attach it to the report. Then we go to the next person, the one responsible for planning maintenance. They can see the report coming in and they can also create new activities. But let's look at this report. Here we can see what was reported, who reported it, what time, and what they wrote. And if they had attachments, we can look at them. Then you can choose to take no action, to put it into the archive. But you can also choose to give it that priority, high or low priority. But most commonly, if this is something, and when you choose a priority, you also choose who is going to do the work. You can say Alice is going to take a look at this, and you can write additional instructions here on what she should be looking at. We also have a system where one perform the maintenance and another one verify it afterwards. So if you want someone to verify it, you can choose someone else here to verify it. And the system works like this, that whenever you create a report, a task, for example for Alice, she can get notified by email that she has been assigned a new activity. But she can also go into the this view. Let's save this. And she goes to the perform view, and let's assign to Alice like this. And now she can see everything that has been assigned to her. I'm going through this quickly, just to get you an idea what's possible here. As a planner, you can also schedule an activity to choose what date it's going to be performed. Let's say Tuesday next week. And here you also have the ability to repeat it. So you can have this repeat every 2 weeks. And when you repeat it every 2 weeks, let's look at the next week, which means that if we show, then you have the single activity occurring several times, every second week, like this. And every time Alice has performed the maintenance, she goes here, she can click here that it's been complete, and she can write additional comments about what was being done and save. And then you have the next one in 18 days. If you have these repeating, recurring maintenance activities, you can look at the current one here, but you can scroll down and see the past ones and open and see what's been done there. For example, the last one here, it's done but it's not verified. We can open it, we can see what was written here, and we can verify it, write additional comments, and now we're done. Now this activity is completed. So you have a system where you can assign tasks to people, You can choose what part of the machine to perform it in, and write additional instructions. This is a part of the MUR system, so it's related to the MUR machines, but you can have many more components here. You can create your own tree structure of machines, of rooms, machines in the room, parts of the machine, and subparts, and so on, which you can organize like this. The benefit of using the MUR maintenance system is that the MUR system itself is connected to the machines. And that's where we have the machine-based maintenance. So instead of scheduling based on calendar, for example, every 2 weeks, you can choose machine-based, and you can choose, we have 2 options here, runtime or counter. For example, I choose runtime. Runtime means that we're looking how long the machine has been running, and we want this maintenance to be done when the machine has been running 500 hours. And let's put the start date 2 weeks back. So that's done. Let's take a look at what it looks like, this runtime I just created. So we have this, selected the machine, and we have a runtime 500 hours, but now we also see that it has been already running 227 hours. And we have an estimation here. If we are running at the same speed as we've been running now, or the same runtime, we expect this to be due to be maintenance to be done at the end of October. So this way, with the MUR maintenance system, you can have both calendar schedules and machine-based. And the machine-based can be based on how long after the machine has been running for a certain number of hours. Or if you use the counter, you can have the maintenance scheduled after number of operations. Some items have a fixed number of operations before it should be replaced. Maintenance is an add-on. You see it in the menu here. If you don't have it activated, it shows up as a gray item. And if this looks interesting, we can activate it 1 month so you can try it out and see how it looks before you choose if you want to continue using it. And the maintenance system has email integrated in it, meaning that you can get email reports every Monday giving you a list of what's planned for this week. And you can also get email notifications about when you get a new report that someone has written about, or when something new is assigned to you. And as you see here, these are all optional, so you can choose either for everyone, or individually everyone can choose what they want to receive as an email and what they want to see in this overview here.